Hey friends. Welcome to the channel The Natural Cure. Say goodbye blackheads in 5 minutes. Let's get started. Blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, nose, cheeks, forehead, and also the other parts of the body. What causes blackheads? Age and hormonal changes. Overproduction of skin cells. The blocking or covering pores by cosmetics and clothing. Heavy sweating. Use of some steroid-based drugs, such as corticosteroids. Magic remedies to remove blackheads from nose. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is really effective for removing blackheads. Apply some toothpaste on your nose. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Now apply a few drops of water and massage in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse with water and rub an ice cube over the area. Repeat this every day. Make sure to moisturize your skin well after using this remedy. Baking soda with honey. Baking soda can effectively remove blackheads from the nose and prevent them from reoccurring. Mix a teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda for blackheads and form a fine paste. Apply to the affected areas by gently massaging in circular motions. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with a washcloth and warm water. Follow the process once in a day until you see the results. Egg white with honey. Egg white helps in removing the current blackheads and tightening pores. Mix the honey into the egg white and apply the mixture on your face. Let it dry. Wash off with warm water. Repeat this once or twice a week. Tomato wash. Tomatoes have natural antiseptic properties that dry up blackheads. Take a small tomato peeled and mashed. Then apply it over the blackheads before going to bed. Leave overnight and then wash face with clean water in the morning. Lemon scrub. Lemon is another natural ingredient that is effective in treating blackheads. Squeeze few drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Add salt and stir the mixture well. Wash face with warm water. Apply the mixture on the blackheads. Leave for some 20 minutes and wash face again with warm water. Friends, you have to follow all these steps to get rid of blackheads from nose. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.